the day you leave. You can tell how it's gonna be to watch a girl become a ghost before your eyes. You wish you'd given her one more kiss to put away for a night like this, but never, never on the day you leave.